Hi guys, Marley Law here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're looking at a 2016 350 SLX. On the swim platform you'll see we have gray sea deck on the swim platform and the walkthrough. Inside the cockpit we have gray Infinity snap-in carpet. We have a refrigerator also in the cockpit, a sink, some storage under here, and a spot for the trash can. Over here we have a vacuum-flush head, another glove box compartment with storage. At the helm we have the Axius joystick. This boat is powered by twin 350 horsepower engines. This boat has approximately 150 hours, maybe right under. In here we have a dedicated storage area. This is great for lake toys, water toys, life jackets, towels, anything extra, bags, purses down in here. Up in the bow we have lots of seating. Both sides have armrests to come down. We have cup holders on both sides, which is nice. This boat also has the bow filler cushion option, so you can make this an entire sun pad for laying out. This boat also has the windlass, the rope and chain anchor. This boat is also equipped with the opening in the hard top, so if you want to open this on a nice sunny day and get some sun. It also has the extended sunshade that will extend all the way out to the back of the transom here. This seat here also folds out or folds up, so you can have some aft facing seating that faces out while coating out. And this boat is also equipped with a submersible swim platform. So again, this was a 2016 350 SLX, Sea Ray of course, located at Lake of the Ozarks. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube page.